Hey folks, Gareth here. Now we're going to do a little band exercise today. You can pick these up at TK Maxx, especially if you're going to be stuck at home for a little while. They're like £3, so they are. Either each, or I think it's like a £5 for a pack of 3, something like that. But go and pick these up because these are great training tools for you to use at home. So we're going to do a quick exercise that helps people feel where their lats are. Because if you're one of those people that the only thing that hurts after trying pull-ups is your biceps, well then you're obviously not using your lats, or you're not using your lats enough. So the exercise we're going to do today is just a straight arm pull down. So we're going to wrap a band around something upright, or even you can wrap it around the handles of a door. And you're going to make it relatively tense, and you're going to stand. So stand in front, stick your bum out behind so your back's nice and flat, and your scapula is protracted and forward. From there, what you're going to imagine doing is squeezing them scapula down as you pull your hands to your waist. And you should feel the tension in here. And relax it off. So let the band pull it right out. And again, imagine you're pulling them scapula down. So your shoulders, imagine you're pulling down. So they're not up here, they're down. And just nice straight arm, pulling that band right in like that. So we'll do another 2. And once you get the hang of that, you can do a banded row. So it's the exact same, except you're standing upright, palms to the roof, and instead of pulling like this, because this will give you a good workout and it will hit the back of your shoulders and your traps and everything, pull to your hip bones. Try and get your elbows past your back, but you're pulling to your hip bones. And again, this is more lat heavy, especially if you've got problems activating them. This is what you want to do. So that's 2 exercises. Aim for, 3 sets of 10 of each. But another little trick for activating your lats is one I learned years ago. So you're going to stand. I'll do it from here so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to stand, so you're going to bend, so almost as if you're just bent knees and you're going to put an arm on your leg. Your hand's going to be out like this. So what I want you to do is to pull it back so it goes behind your back. And then I want you to turn your arm 45 degrees, like that, out. And then imagine you're trying to squeeze it right behind your back. So, I like this, arm comes in, past, goes out 45 degrees, and then I want to pull that elbow to my spine. I want to imagine I'm trying to reach the elbow to touch my spine, and you'll get a cramp here. And that's your lats. Practice that. That's your lats activating. That's what you want to feel whenever you're doing lat-based exercises, if you're doing like pull-ups, things like that.